This brand offers purifiers that are made in China and can be purchased on Amazon or through their website. The EE7002 Air Purifier is a basic 2-stage unit with a 3-speed fan and a 300 square feet coverage area, while the EE5067 model has a 4-speed fan with a 250 square feet coverage area with a 60 CFM delivery rate. The EE5067 models have 3 stages of filtration and a 4-speed fan, while the EE5068 units have 5 stages of purification, a 3-speed fan, and a 300 square feet coverage area with a 120 CFM delivery rate. The EE5069 air purifier is their largest with a 500 square feet coverage area and a 3-speed fan with a 50 decibel noise rating, which is equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. They have a UV germicidal light as well as true HEPA filtering with a 135 CFM delivery rating. The EE5073 unit combines a desktop fan with 2 stages of air filtration where the fan tilts up to 90 degrees to provide personal cooling. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.